Roblox failed to reach a client setting. Please check your internet connection. To fix this issue, first of all, open Task Manager. Right click on Taskbar. Click on Task Manager. Right click on Roblox Game Client and select End Task. End task all other processes related to Roblox. If you find, you close Task Manager. Now install Windows Update. Click on Start, Settings, Windows Update. Check for updates. If any update is found, install it. Next task is changing DNS settings. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Select Network and Internet from the sidebar. Select Advanced Network Settings. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, click on this one. Click on the Wi-Fi connection. If you are connected through Ethernet, you can click through Ethernet connection. Mine is connected to wireless network, so I am clicking here Wi-Fi. For more adapter options, click on Edit. Here uncheck Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6. Uncheck this option. Select TCP IPv4 and click on Properties. Check the option Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8. For alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Click on OK. Click on Close. Now press Windows+R on the keyboard, or alternatively, you can right click on Start and select Run. Type %local app data %. Click on OK. Here find Roblox. Open this folder. Select all the content here and delete. After deleting, run disk cleanup. Click on Search. Type disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup. Select the drive. Click OK. Click on Cleanup System Files. Again, select drive and click OK. Check all the options here except thumbnails. Click on OK. Click on Delete Files. Once disk cleanup is completed, restart your computer. Then download the Roblox installer again. Click on Download Windows app. Click on the installer. Click on search, type Roblox Studio. Right click on Roblox Studio. Select open file location. Again right click on Roblox Studio. Open file location. Go to version folder. Find Roblox player launcher. Right click and select open. Now open the game and try to play. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.